Risk minimization for small airlines by using safety management system concepts by Dr. W. T. S. Rodrigo, Mr. M. V. A. P. Nishankar, Mr. S. D. R. T. Lienage. Waste is considered as a globally recognized problem. In Sri Lanka, waste is considered to be a serious issue. In taking the amount of waste produced in Sri Lanka, aviation industry is also taking a main component of it. Waste can be categorized into liquid, solid waste, and gaseous waste. Waste management is a new concept in aviation, but by considering the amount of waste produced by an airport, it can be considered to a small city. In Sri Lankan aviation, domestic or international main areas of waste produced is through maintenance. The research questions of study are the effect of waste management is a problem for aviation industry in Sri Lanka. Can scientific methodology used for waste management minimization? The objectives of our study are the introduction waste management system for prevention and minimization of waste production. In order to achieve the objectives of our study, we have taken four safety management system concepts and developed them into a waste management system concepts as given in the flowchart. We conducted a questionnaire to develop the waste management risk management by taking into account the waste types and the probability severity of waste types. By conducting interviews with the manager engineering, we were able to develop our waste management assurance and the waste management promotion system. The graphs below show the oil intake into the fixed organization in the month 2017 July to 2019 October and the amount of oil used and the amount of oil removed for the year 2018 by the organization. Given graph shows the destination quantities of Sri Lankan Airlines flying around 750 in the years 2017, 2018 and 2019. In here, the graph shows waste generation quantities of Sri Lankan Airlines for flying cycle 6000 in the years 2017, 2018 and 2019. The graph shown it shows the waste generated by Sri Lankan Airlines C-check maintenance with respect to total waste in other domestic airlines in the year 2019 to 2020. Comparing the projections of 2025, Sri Lankan Commercial Aviation Organization's fleet waste generation will be 0.000064% of the total waste generation of all low-middle income countries. The waste which is thrown by the aviation industry is increasing due to its escalation, and with the increase of waste production, the waste removal and the disposal method that can harm the environment at a very high rate. Though the data analysis of aviation maintenance organization waste, we included waste risk management as a safety management system concept to analyze the level of hazardous waste and as a waste minimization process. Through the analysis of risk management for a continuous waste management system, waste management assurance and waste management promotion are recommended for the implemented waste management system. Any system that is put in place needs total commitment from the organization, from the top management to the bottom. Waste management policies and objectives are recommended to the implemented waste management system. For the organization to develop waste management policy and objectives, first, the purpose of waste management system, the benefits of a waste management system, the positive waste management culture, waste management values, priority of waste control, waste management policy statement, and the organizational structure. In order to develop the waste management risk assessment, we first need to categorize the risk according to severity, probability, and develop the risk matrix. And using the risk matrix, to develop mitigation measures through avoidance, reductions, and segregation of exposure. In order to develop waste management assurance by putting in place reporting systems, auditing, survey, and investigation processes for continuous improvements of the system. And in order to develop waste management promotion through different types of training. Thank you.